Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.